Hi everyone, and welcome to this beginner-friendly crochet tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet a simple granny square earphone case. It's an easy project that will take about 1 to 2 hours. You can create several in different colors, making it easy to match with your outfits or bags. It can also be a thoughtful gift idea. Let's get started. For this project you will need yarn in 3 colors. I'm using 2mm cotton yarn. I will be using white for the center, light blue for the second row, and dark blue for the third row. A crochet hook that suits your yarn. I'm using a 3.5mm hook, a yarn needle, and scissors. We need to make 2 small granny squares and then join them together. We will be making classic granny squares. Round 1. Start with the magic ring. Chain 1, twist, and chain 1 again to create a base that looks like a double crochet. Next, work 2 double crochets into the ring, chain 2. Repeat this pattern 3 more times. Cut the yarn and close the round. Use a yarn needle to close the square. Weave in the yarn ends. Now you have your first square. Round 2. You can turn your work here. Without turning, the edges may twist and the shape can be distorted. But for this small square, it's not needed, the difference won't be noticeable. Now, change your yarn. Chain 1, twist, and chain 1 again. This is your initial stitch. Make 2 double crochets. Chain 1. Make 3 double crochets into the next space, chain 2, and then 3 more double crochets into the same space. Chain 1 and repeat this pattern for each corner, moving around the square. After completing the round, chain 2, cut the yarn and close the square. You can turn your work here. Round 3. Now change your yarn. Chain 1, twist and chain 1 again. This is your initial stitch. Make 2 double crochets. Chain 1. Make 3 double crochets into the next space. Chain 1. Make 3 double crochets into the next space. Chain 2 and follow the pattern around. To connect and shape the square, make 1/2 double crochet instead of chaining 2 and making a slip stitch. Row 1, upper side of the case. Chain 1 and make 2 single crochets into the same space. Then make 4 single crochets. Chain 4, skip 1 stitch, then make 6 single crochets. Cut the yarn. Make a stitch on the bottom side of the square. Hide the yarn end. Repeat this process to create your second granny square. But this time, instead of chaining 4, chain 40. This will help us to close the case and allow it to hang on your back. We finished our second square and now we need to connect the squares. Before cutting the yarn, leave enough length to assemble the case. I usually leave a length of yarn that is about 3 times longer than the visible length of the square. Cut the yarn. Make a stitch on the bottom side of the square. Now we have 2 granny squares. Let's put them together to form the case. There are different ways to do this, but I'm using a needle to stitch them together through the back loops only. This method is quick and easy. Just be careful to pick up only the back loops. Back loops only. Once the squares are joined within the yarn ends, and that's it! Look how lovely it turned out! We did an amazing job! This case is not just for earphones. You can also use it for a lip balm, a tiny cream, money, or anything small you need to carry. You can make it in 2 colors, a single color. Also, you can add more rows to make a small bag. Even you can use it for a shopping bag, a little tight, but it works. If you had more rows, it will be just right. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!